There are talented people in the Philippines. Remember that Charisse Pampinko? She sang that Kelly Clarkson song, and very talented people there.
Simulan natin sa talented young Pinay artist na si Maria Aragon. Narito ang eksena sa kaniyang guesting.
You are how old, Maria?
I am 10 years old.
10 years old, and you've been singing for how long?
I've been singing for about 7 years, probably.
Really? Since you were 3?
Well, yeah, since I was 3, but probably back then I didn't really get much meaning out of songs.
Right, right. And so then this is like a huge surprise. You do Lady Gaga's song. Why did you choose to do that song?
Well, because of the meaning of the song. It's a really great meaning. It's about just being yourself because God made you who you are and you're no different than anybody else.
That's a good message, isn't it?
Narito ang kaunting clip ng kaniyang performance.
My mama told me when I was young, we are all born superstars.
Hindi lamang sa Ellen natapos ang pagsikat noon ni Maria dahil nagkaroon din siya ng mga mall show sa Pilipinas at syempre guesting sa mga noontime shows.
To sing her version of Price Tag, please give it up for Maria Aragon!
Sa kasalukuyan ay patuloy pa rin sa pag-awit at pagpapamalas ng talento si Maria na makikita sa kaniyang YouTube channel. Siyempre, malilimutan ba natin ang 4-year-old mini Bruno Mars, ang cute na cute, talented na si Kai Langer.
Thank you for the kiss and the hug. Thank you so much, Kai. How are you?
Fine.
Good. I'm so happy you're here, and I saw... Did you make me this?
Yes, I make those stuff, and I tell Daddy to make that hole, and I tell Daddy what to write.
You told your daddy what to write?
Yes.
It says, I'm excited to go to Ellen. You are the best Ellen in the whole world. I don't want any other Ellen.
Oh, I was good. Oh, this pen. Hey, take a ball for my brain. I said my time will be there. My 2 and 2 say.
Sa kasalukuyan ay mukhang susunod sa yapak ng mga young husband si Kai dahil ang future heartthrob ay mukhang future Ascals player na din. Isa pang memorable proud moments ang Ellen guesting ni Rap Salazar. Talaga namang napabilib hindi lamang si Ellen kundi ang buong studio sa birit ni Rap.
Welcome to my country. So I understand it was your birthday wish to be able to perform on this show?
And now I'm here.
And now you're here.
Yeah, so thank you so much. I'll never forget this.
I will never forget it either. Now, how long have you been performing? You're 12, right?
Yes, I started singing when I was 3 years old.
Konting patikim sa jaw-dropping performance ni Rap. Makikita sa YouTube channel ni Ellen ang full performance.
By myself.
Manatiling uhaw.
Nabitin ka ba at nauhaw? Bisitahin mo na ang YouTube channel ni Rap Salazar para sa kaniyang mga updated song covers.
Said, oh, Ellen wants to see you guys. We want to bring you to LA. I didn't believe until nandun po talaga kami.
Naaalala mo ba ang unang paghataw ni AC Bonifacio sa The Ellen Show? Kasama ang kanyang dance partner na si Lucky Ancheta. Nakilala sila sa pagsali at pagtatagumpay sa dance floor. Kilala ang kanilang duo na Lucky Aces. Isa sa naging highlight ng kanilang dance career ang pag-guest at performance sa The Ellen Show.
Me and AC really love Ariana Grande.
Everybody does, yes.
So someday we wish we could actually perform with her.
You want to dance
Yes.
as a background dancer for Ariana? Well, that'd be amazing. We knew that you loved her very much, and we found out she's performing in Vancouver, so we're giving you VIP tickets. You can meet her and hang out with her.
I'll dance for Miss Topaz as her proxy.
Mula nga dito ay patuloy nang umusbong ang karir ni AC Bonifacio.
Mag-upload po kami ng video ni Kuya Aldrich at ni Kuya James.
Siyempre, kapag viral, dapat nasa Ellen yan. Isang patunay dito sina Aldrich at James. Mula sa pagiging viral sensation ay naging Ellen sensation.
You put the video on and you've had, I think, over 4 million views.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Did you have any, was this the first video you posted?
Yeah, this is the first video.
Wow. And have you always played with your cousin, or how did y'all start working together?
Started years ago, a few years ago. Started. We have been best friends in music.
Right. So, and you're now local celebrities, right?
Yeah.
People recognize you?
Yeah. When the video got viral, people started recognizing us along the streets or in the malls. They even recognize us in the restrooms.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's weird.
Yeah.
Galing talaga ng talentong Pinoy. Kaya naman napapansin ito kahit saang sulok ng mundo. Hanggang saan ka dadalhin ng cuteness at talent mo? Si Balang, sa world stage lang naman.
First time mo daw dito sa Amerika, di ba?
Opo.
Kamusta daw po?
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. And yeah, I got that one. So, what are you excited about to see when you're here?
Saan ka excited dito?
Sa ano po? Sa chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
He's excited about chocolate. Bakit?
Kasi po, marami. Tapos, pero sakit ipin. Pero, toothbrush.
There's a lot of chocolates here, and then when he ate a lot of chocolates, he was able to get a toothache, and then he was going to toothbrush his teeth. Just to avoid a toothache.
Kung ikaw at ang mga marites mong amiga ay sa basketball court lang nagsusumba, si Balang sa Ellen Show siya nagsusumba.
Sumba, sumba,
How many people have seen that video?
29 million views.
29 million!
Thank you!
Isa din sa viral Ellen guesting na nagpayaman sa mga reaction channel ay ang Ellen guesting ni Marcelito Pomoy.
Yes, actually hindi ko talaga na-expect. And then one time may nag-message ko sa akin sa Facebook, ellentv.com. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. And then dumating sa punto na nag-Skype kami, hindi pa rin ako satisfied. And then one time, dumating sa akin yung ticket going to LA, Ellen.
Konting sulyap sa viral Ellen performance ni Marcelito. Tatak, Pinoy talent sa galing. Last but not the least, ang tunay na tumatatak sa atin kapag pinag-uusapan ang Ellen Show. Yan ang tindig balahibong performance ni Charis Pempenko noong nabubuhay pa siya.
I'm warning you right now, I'm gonna cry again today. Set your VCRs. I'll do it again. I don't care. I'm telling you, I'll cry. She's 15 years old. We flew her in from the Philippines. She's never been to the United States before. She doesn't have a recording contract. She's never done this before here. You are gonna be blown away. I cannot. This is the most incredible gift of all the stuff we're giving you today. You're gonna witness something. You're gonna go, I was there that day that girl was on the show. Her name is Charis Pempenko, and she is amazing. And she's gonna sing.
Sobrang napabilib si Ellen kay Charis at naging instrumento nga ang show sa lalo pang pagsikat noon ng batang si Charis. nawala man ang Ellen Show pero hindi ang talentong Filipino. Maraming salamat sa panonood. At syempre, huwag mong kakalimutang mag-subscribe at notification on mo na rin yan para updated ka sa susunod pa nating mga proud Filipino Moments videos. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!